So I'm starting off with the ABH Dip Brow. I'm doing my brows pretty thick. Honestly, just do your brows however you think looks good on you or whatever. Just, you guys, promise me, do not do your eyebrows like how I did in high school. So yeah, those were like super gross. Now I'm taking this really cute Maybelline Fit Me concealer and just carving out my brows and using it as an eyeshadow base. And as you can see, I'm using my disgusting beauty blender. So now I'm taking this bronzer, this NARS, I don't even remember, this NARS bronzer, and I'm using this eyeshadow because it honestly looks really good. And if you want like a natural eyeshadow look, just use bronzer. So I don't know why I'm going so damn fast, but I'm using this eyelash glue and just gluing on these like Amazon lashes. You can use just mascara if you want, but I really like lashes. So I'm using the Lash Sensational mascara, it's my favorite, and I'm just moisturizing instead of priming because it's so much better, and using this like liquid highlighter under my foundation. When you take selfies, it makes your face look so freaking dewy. And then I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I literally almost forgot what foundation was, and just put that on because it's not too full coverage. It's like the perfect coverage, honestly. And I'm just saying, it looks so good in selfies, just saying. So I'm going back in with the Maybelline Fit Me. This is literally my favorite concealer. I hate buying super expensive concealers because I feel like concealer is just like too little to be spending 40 bucks on a little ass concealer. So yeah, highly recommend this one. Everyone probably already knows what this is, but I'm just telling you. I'm going in with some Morphe powder. Honestly, I don't really like baking, so I'm just, dabbing it or whatever on my face. And then contouring with this NARS oh my god, I almost said concealer. NARS bronzer. It's the Laguna bronzer. Or no, this is not the Laguna. This is the e.l.f. St. Lucia bronzer. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm contouring my nose with the same bronzer. I know it kind of looks like mud and I'm making it super dark, but that's only because we're taking selfies and you want to see like my snatched nose. So if you want to see like an in-depth nose contour video, I don't even know if you guys are gonna come back to this channel, but just leave it down below. Okay, I'm taking the same blush from that little St. Lucia bronzer palette thing. How are we already on highlighter? Okay, so I'm using the Mary Luminizer highlighter, and this is my favorite highlighter. I actually highly recommend it to everyone because it's so good and it's like super like just luminous, and you will see it, like you will see that shit. And now I'm just taking the bronzer and using it as eyeshadow under my eyes and using this mascara. I look like that girl from Shrek. So now I'm just using the Fenty lip gloss. I hate lipstick, so lip gloss is my BFF. And yeah, that's literally it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like and subscribe. And yeah, that's it. Bye guys.